G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here, and what an exciting day today is. I read less than 8 hours ago that Mark McGowan, the Premier of Western Australia, has delivered a WA recovery plan, which is a major new package for renewable energy projects across Western Australia. And you may recall back in December I posted a video imploring renewable storage for schools and regional funding. I reached out to my local member and I spoke to a number of industry players as well. And we did it, guys. It wasn't 30 days, wasn't 60 days, wasn't 90 days, but within the 6 months we have 50 new standalone power systems to deliver clean, reliable electricity to regional and remote areas. New energy storage infrastructure for 9 regional communities to let more locals take up solar panels. These are regional communities where the power supply was not enough to be able to allow more people to put panels on, but by having storage locally, they've now able to deliver that on that plan. Installing solar panels on social housing properties. 500 social housing properties are now getting solar panels. Again, that gives them power benefits. It also gives them heating and cooling benefits. Creating smart green virtual power plants at 10 WA schools with solar panels and commercial batteries. Not only does this give the schools the benefit, but the regions around those schools will therefore also have local buffering and batteries. Been putting solar panels on 60 bus stations, train stations, and they've got another 10 million innovative energy projects through WA's Clean Energy Future Fund. This is awesome. This is so bloody good. And whilst I doubt I had any part in getting it over the line, I'm really happy that we got this and we are now able to celebrate. What a great result. Thanks, guys.